Okay, guys, so let's discuss on wireframes. Okay, so we're just gonna use a short time to discuss about wireframes. So wireframes are just bits of representation. Okay, just bits of representation about your app or your website. So it's not just about showing images, about just showing things like bars. You just draw rectangles to represent text, and then you draw those bigger rectangles to represent buttons, and then you can use your square as images. You see, that's just how the wireframe is. And you can see we can actually draw wireframes by ourselves by doing all this, or we can actually just go to, when you're done with your design, you can click on your design frame, and then you go to this place here, click on it, you search for wireframe. Okay, you wait for it to load, and then you select this. You don't want color, convert to grayscale, and then you convert text into bars. You select your design which you've done, and then you convert. You see, so it gives you the wireframe of your design. You can click on this too to try it, convert. You can see text images are converted into just normal bars, and icons are normally already vectors, so they will still appear to the same way. So it depends on your choice, because mostly we don't actually do wireframes nowadays because people, we just want to go into the design. But most times, or a few times, it is important to just show the process, because when you get to the client, I'll give you a secret. When you get to the client, they want to see your whole view. So sometimes it is good to actually add it to show that you actually went through a process, because when you show your wireframe, it gives your work more value. So you can actually do wireframe by doing it like this, by using your text or your boxes, and just use your bars and draw rectangles, or you can actually draw using a pen and paper, to show your process that this is what you did. So as a professional, that is what I would say. You can actually, it is very, very good to just, add a little bit of wireframes, if not all the pages, a few pages, to show that, okay, this is the process you went through, and these are the these are the bars representing text, these are the bars representing pictures and icons that we place there. And for the icons, sometimes you don't even need to draw the icons, you can just use something to replace them. Okay, but for the higher framer, it recognizes that these are icons, and it let them be. Okay, so advice: do wireframes, but make sure that you limit it, but you show that you actually went through a process to create your app or your website UI.